Welcome. Today we're covering understanding trading volume. Let's get started. Trading volume counts how many shares change hands during a specific time period. If 10 million shares of Apple trade today, that's Apple's daily volume. High volume means lots of buying and selling activity. Volume validates price action. A stock rising on high volume shows strong buying interest. The same rise on low volume might be less significant. Think of volume as the conviction behind price movements. Most charting platforms show volume as vertical bars beneath the price chart. Taller bars mean more activity. A sudden spike in volume often signals something important is happening with the stock. When volume surges above average, pay attention. High volume breakouts often lead to sustained moves. Institutions moving large positions create volume spikes that retail traders can follow. Low volume trading can be deceiving. A stock jumping 10% on tiny volume might reverse quickly. Thinly traded stocks also have wider bid-ask spreads, costing you more money when trading. Always check volume relative to the stock's normal activity. 1 million shares might be huge for a small stock but tiny for Apple. Use the average volume comparison to gauge significance.